Hi, I'm Cody Leakey, RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. The Winnebago Revel saw a number of changes over the past year, but continues as the classic off-road and off-grid adventure van. Both the Revel 44E and 44N floor plans are built on the Mercedes-Benz all-wheel drive Sprinter chassis with similar layouts. However, there are a number of differences in these two floor plans to help bridge the increased cost of the 44E compared to the Revel Sport 44N. The Revel 44N features a 320 amp-hour battery with 4,133 watt-hours, expandable to 8,266 watt-hours with an additional Lichtsinn RV installed battery. The 44E comes with the exclusive Winnebago PowerMax system and an 8,448 watt-hours Lithionics lithium battery, also expandable at Lichtsinn RV. The 44N features a 2,000 watt inverter charger, AC to DC converter, and alternator charger. The 44E includes the EcoFlow Power Hub Pro 5-in-1 system, saving space and weight with a 3,600 watt inverter charger, DC to DC converter, MPPT solar charger, and alternator charger. The 44N has aluminum running boards and a movable ladder, while the 44E includes custom tubular running boards and a fixed position ladder. Unique to the 44E is the restyled Summit roof rack with a front LED light bar for a combined 22,000 lumens of light. The 44N has a bench seat with one integrated 3-point seat belt and one lap belt, and the 44E has lounge seating with two integrated 3-point seat belts with recline and side adjustments. The 44N has a bifold bathroom door, while the 44E has a flip-out privacy panel bathroom door with a mirror. The 44N has single-zone hydronic heating, and the 44E includes a multi-zone hydronic heating system. And lastly, the freshwater tank capacity in the 44N is 24 gallons, while the freshwater tank capacity in the 44E is 35 gallons. For additional questions on the Winnebago Revel 44E or 44N floor plan, contact myself or another Lichtsinn RV sales consultant today.